So if you're looking for a floodlight to light up your entire room or a job site, and you're just not happy with what you currently have as far as like a handheld flashlight, take a look at this this Milwaukee high power floodlight. It's very different as far as the features that it has here. I wanted to go through them just to kind of show you what makes this a little bit different than the conventional lights that are on the market. Has two handles on it. The light adjusts up and down, and in the back of it, what's really nice is that you have two ways of turning this on, okay? On the side, you have a regular plug to where you can just use a regular extension cord, or you can use an actual battery as well. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a battery and put it inside so you guys can see how bright it is. And it just, I didn't mention this before, but it takes a regular M18 battery. Now this thing has definitely a lot of kick to it. It is very bright. So let me kind of put it to the side here so you guys can see it. And you could adjust it down, put it up in a room, and then you face it up. And it articulates all the way to one side to the other side as well. Let me kind of show you guys here. And here's the button that it's on the back as well. It's really simple. Just press the button on. It has a couple modes to it. So there's the suit high, mid, low, and then it's going to end up going off as well. So there you have it. The Milwaukee M18 high power floodlight. Pick this up on Amazon, and this should be one of your last floodlights you could actually buy.